Alright, this is the elevator here at Nordstrom, made from Wauwatosa, Wisconsin. We have a Schindler. 3. Burgers when it's not work. Here we go. Here are 3. 1. And that chime sounds lovely. Let's get a cab view. So far, this is one of the, by far, the nicest Nordstrom elevators I've ever seen. Love the wooden walls in the back, but the sides, I believe, are like stainless steel. And I'm sorry, I'm gonna have to do one ride in this because my battery is low. Anyways, we have 2 COPs, 3,500 pound capacity AC vent resistant fixtures. Alright, let's go up to 2 and end it. Let's do a Fisher can this time. Alright, I'm gonna end the video here. It's gonna be my last hour I'm gonna film this small. Alright. Flush the door closed. There it goes, and that'll be it.